Nature of sociology. Sociology is the branch of knowledge and it has its own features. It has a different nature. An analysis of its internal logical characteristics helps one to understand what kind of science it is. Two opposite views about nature. First, scientific nature. Second, non-scientific nature or its social science. First, we are going to deal with scientific nature of sociology. Sociology is a science. Sociology does make use of scientific methods. What is meant by science? It is a branch of knowledge or study dealing with a body of fact or truth systematically arranged and showing the operation of general laws. Definition of science. Science is a systematic body of knowledge based on reason and evidence. Characteristics of science. First, objectivity. Second, variability. Third, ethical neutrality. Fourth, systematic exploration. Fifth, reliability. Sixth one, precision. Seventh, accuracy. Eighth, abstractness. Ninth, predictability. 10th, generalization. The social phenomena having scientific characters. Next, we are going to deal with scientific characteristics of sociology. First, it studies social phenomenon. It is a knowledge, mother of all social sciences. It is systematic way of dealing with ideas, careful observation and recording of factual data and which scientifically analyzed by logical basis through which generalization can be made. Second, sociology is factual. It deals with facts only. Use scientific methods to solve the problems. Third, sociology frames laws and attempt to predict. Science can make prediction on the basis of universal and valued laws related to problem solving approach. Fourth one, principles of sociology is universal. The principles of sociology provide to be true at all time and places as long as conditions do not vary. Fifth one, it discover the cause and effect relationship. Sociological principles and structure have cause and effect relationship in subject matter and it provides universal valid law. Sixth one, sociological principles is veridical. The laws of sociology prove and true at every verification and re-verification. Anyone can examine their validity. Next, we are going to deal with sociology, not a science. It is a art, or it is a social science. What is meant by social science? The study of human society and individual relationship, it including sociology, psychology, anthropology, economics, political science, and history, etc. Non-scientific characteristics of sociology. First, lack the experimentation. It deals with human relationship which can be neither measured, weighted, nor see or analysis. Second, lack of objectivity. The sociologist cannot maintain complete its objectivity in order to understand its external actions. Third one, lack of exactness. The prediction might not be true. The laws and conclusions cannot be expressed in precise terms. Fourth, inability to measure subject matter. It inability to measure the subject matters of sociological principles such as relationship, family, etc. Fifth one, lack of perfect exactness. To the fact that social phenomenon is too vast, human motivations are complex, it is difficult to make prediction about human behavior, so that the sociologist unable to make exact knowledge and prediction. Sixth one, cannot make predictions correctly. Social phenomenon is too vast. Human motives and behaviors are complex, which make difficulty in predictions. Seventh one, terminological inefficiency. Words are essential tool for thought and making principle. In sociology, not yet have developed adequate set of scientific terms. Thank you. Have a nice day.